Hello everybody, we are here in Warrenton, Missouri, right along I-70, and we are stopped here at a car wash that, as best I can tell, is just called the Self-Serve Car Wash. And it's a pretty good sized place here. You can see we've got two vacuums with actual shampoo and fragrance equipment. We have an oversized truck and RV bay, a bunch of self-serve bays. It looks like most of them work, with just one exception. And then over here, there's a set, or it looks like what used to be a set of automatics. I would bet that at one point they had a touch-free and a touchless, and a soft touch option. But it looks like the soft touch bay has been emptied out and someone just has their car parked in it. So the only one left is the touch-free bay. So why don't we go over there and check this place out and see what kind of system they have.
How you doing today,
Pretty
sir?
good, how are you doing?
Doing good. You might need any help with this today?
Nope, I think I'm good.
All right,
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Okay, that was easy. Huge spread on the prices here. They have a 5, 8, 10, and a 15. And obviously I bought the 15. And you can see what we have here in front of us. This is a legit Oasis Typhoon. I haven't been in one of these in a while. These systems are crazy. No blasters coming in, which is interesting. All right. Let's see what 15 bucks buys you in Warrenton. Sorry, excuse me, I'm still getting over a cold. That was quick. tires. Overall, it looks like it did a good job. Nice and shiny. Just really quick, I don't really know what I got for the $15 that I wouldn't have gotten with one of the lower options. That's probably the one criticism here. It seems like a great place to come and buy one of the lower priced washes because the high pressure cycles in that thing were awesome. And, you know, the Typhoon, it's extremely over-engineered, but in many ways that means you get a great wash out of it. Anyway, let me know what you thought in the comments. Really hope you enjoyed this video, and that is it.